Hello, welcome back to my page where we talk about natural health and wellness. And today I have a very important and interesting topic for you, and that is clove and its benefits and why it is important to get good quality clove. Now, let's dive in. Do you know that most of the clove you get in the market and in most places where you get those cloves from, before you get those cloves, they already lost their essential oil? Most of them, the buds also are falling off. Do you know that it's in the essential oil and in that bud, in the bud you have the essential oil, and the essential oil in the clove is what gives you most of the benefits? Yes. Now, how do you know if your clove is good quality or not? Just take any clove in the market. And of course, I'm going to be using my Bio Naturals clove as a standard. And then pour it out in your hand. First of all, like this is in a paper pack now. Just open it and try to get the aroma. Oh my God, even I am. How strong the aroma is determine the presence of the essential oil or not. Most times what you get in the market does not have that smell, that strong smell. So you can be sure that the essential oil is gone. The next stage, I'll still come back to explain why the essential oil is gone. The next stage is to pour it out into your hand. Now, look at it. We have the buds on the stick. Now, the essential oil is in that bud. You can see this is an example. The essential oil is in the bud. If you do not have those buds in the stick, if you just have the stick, you are just eating chaff. Where you get the benefits that clove has is in the bud. So make sure that your clove has enough bud. The reason why most of the ones you bought have lost these essential oils and the bud is maybe through their process of drying. 1, 2, transportation, and 3, maybe it's been there for too long and it's not improper management can also cause it. So, I mean, why would you want to go for something that is not what you're looking for? Of course, you want to go for clove because you want the benefits. Yes. So why do you want to go? If it's worth getting the benefit or clove, just go for the best quality. Of course, I just showed you now. In Bio Naturals, we have the best quality. The smell is very strong. Anyway, now let's talk about the benefits of clove. Now, clove contains some bioactive compounds that that like eugenol, tannin, and flavonoid. These compounds are the ones that give clove those wonderful benefits like being an antioxidant, powerful anti-inflammatory, powerful antimicrobial, and also pain relieving properties. Yes, let me break that down to you. Let's start with antioxidant properties. So when we say something has antioxidant properties, that means that thing helps reduce oxidative stress, which leads to cell death and aging. So this is what causes most of the aging diseases. So that simply means that taking clove can actually help you prevent those chronic diseases like heart diseases, diabetes, or even cancer. Yes, these are scientifically backed up proofs. We move on to the second one, which is anti-inflammatory. So if you're suffering from arthritis, joint pain, and those things that, of course, the things that are causing those things are inflammation. Clove helps the body to modulate, stops the inflammatory processes. So definitely you'll feel relief if you take clove frequently. Now let's talk about the natural pain relieving properties of clove. So clove oil and clove is generally known for relieving toothache and also good for gum health. Now, if you're having toothache, chewing good quality clove can give you instant relief to that pain. Yes. Clove also helps fight infections. The eugenol in clove has strong antimicrobial properties, and thereby it fights fungi, it fights viruses, and it fights bacteria. And that simply means you can even use clove to prevent infection. Yes. Don't wait until the infection comes. Start by preventing infection. And on to the next thing, which I think that a lot of us will like, clove support digestion. You know what? It does stimulate digestive enzymes, which helps deal with those bloating issues, indigestion, and even in cases of gastric ulcer. But just watch this. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that I can tell you the caution that surrounds this particular benefit so that you don't go and harm yourself more than helping yourself. Clove also helps to balance blood sugar. And how does it do that? It improves insulin sensitivity. And you know, in this part of the world, most of our food are food that actually spikes our blood sugar. So it's very important for you to actually take clove if you're in this part of the world. And that means best practice for me, or my advice is that you take it before eating or some minutes after eating. I prefer before eating. So it will help you to it will help improve your insulin sensitivity, and it also helps improve your metabolic health. That is how your food is broken down and used. So clove can also boost your immunity and improve your respiratory health. So if you're one person that has frequent cold, cough, and even asthma patients, taking clove can help relieve those symptoms and also strengthen your immune system to fight against those frequent occurrences. Also, you can improve your bone health with clove because it contains manganese and other essential minerals that the bone needs. Yes, and that means you can prevent diseases like osteoporosis and other bone health issues by just taking clove. So now let's go ahead and talk about the cons. The caution that surrounds clove. So because clove is strong, can irritate your stomach lining. So you want to take it in little quantity. You can start by chewing one clove bud or two or three, depending on. So, but don't do too much. Now, let's also if you're pregnant, clove can actually cause contractions. So you also don't want to do that when you're pregnant. Also, if you're taking anticoagulants or blood thinning medications, you have to ask your doctor before you start combining the two. Okay, now let's talk about how to use clove. You can use clove by either chewing it, that will get you some benefits, good quality clove, of course. You can also, some people make tea with clove. That would also give you benefits. And some people just soak clove in water, and that also gives benefits. But there's another way that I think for me is the best. There's also the tincture of clove. So tincture combines, especially the type of tincture that we have at Bio Naturals, it combines alcoholic extract. So you see, when we have natural products like this, the contents can either come out in aqueous form, that's water, or alcohol. Alcohol, in most cases, extract more of the active ingredients. Then also, you can also use oil to extract the properties that are lipolytic. That means they are they are absorbed in oil. So having said all of that, in whatever form you want your clove, you can reach us. We have very good quality clove tincture also in Bio Naturals. And the way you use tinctures are so easy, just by putting a few drops in your water, in your tea, and drinking it. Of course, it's not those shots or those glasses that people don't have our practitioners, but this is just few drops because they are strong. That's a strong extract. And you'll be fine. So rounding up, whatever is worth going for, like if you want to go for clove and you want to get all the benefits of clove, then it's worth getting a good quality of clove. You can send us a DM at BioNaturals and get your own good quality of clove right now. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.
Bionaturals NG, rooted in nature, focused on you.